no doubt. I got the beard, you got the curves. I wanna show you what it's all about. Cotton candy, bootylicious booty is hypnotizing me with your switch. Goddamn, bitch. Them high heels and them pedicure toes looking good. Got me maniac all on you, girl, cause I can't keep my hands off of you. Gotta think about that later on, that after party you getting on. That big old booty in the thong. Got a party bus with Moet on it. Ice shield so you know I'm on it. Pull your glass in, kiss your lips. Next thing you know I'm kissing your lips. That's bars and you know what I mean. And you feel like me just like a dream. And it's just what you seen, just the green. Ecstasy and Molly to take a dip in the pool, baby girl, yeah I love your skin. And it looks so good, I wanna get all in it. That smell good and all. That's why I wanna take you back to the mall. Put you in your best outfit at school. That's okay, cause I'm just a school. Wanna be a student first, cause I wanna learn. Wanna eat you good, girl, cause I know you yearn. For a nigga like me, I'm a playboy. I'm a nigga who gon' play you like a good toy. You thick like Megan and Nicki. Run DMC, bitch, you got me tricky. Got us role playing like we ain't playing. I could be the John and you could be the hooker. Fish that in high heels looking all sexy. Do a little switch, just candy apple, looking at you. Lick me one, take a bite out of you. Candy apple, your girlfriend too. She a little sexy little model too. We can get a bottle and pop one for two. I could be a little private dancer just for two. You can take my clothes off, how you want. Slow or fast, just what you want. If we wanna get sex, have it now. Don't play with me, throw it all down. And I'ma beat it up, and I'ma speed it up, I'ma switch it up. Shout out to the squad, 1932, we in the building. Shout out to my nigga Cheese. Shout out to my nigga Hack. Shout out to my nigga Wozy. Shout out to my nigga Ray. Shout out to my nigga, the owner. Yeah, we here. We back, baby.